We're getting ready for our first math lesson today, so please take out your calendar math booklet and open that up. And you're going to take out your Saxon pages right here. Okay, so we are on worksheet 11A today, and you'll see at the top of the page there is the number 10. So today we get to write the number 10, which is not that difficult. So you're going to trace it 2 times and then write it by yourself 2 times, right? So 1 and a 0 right next to each other is the number 10. Say 10. And then a 1 and a 0 right next to each other is a 10. Okay. You're going to start at the dot and write your 1, and then next to it you're going to put your 0 to make your 10. And yes, if you want, you can put your happy face in there because the 10s are very friendly. And then again, a 1 and a 0. And again, you can put your happy face in. Friendly 10s. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is called ordinal numbers. So ordinal is something that you've heard of before. We all know what it means to be first, or second, or third, or last. So we're going to do that today. And with first starts right here. So that first shape, what is that called? I can hear you. You're saying, Miss Clutie, that's called a triangle. Okay, so we're going to color that first shape there blue. So that would be the triangle. So go ahead and get your blue crayon. And remember, I like to trace as I'm coloring. Okay. So go ahead and color that blue. Okay. And if you need more time to color, or at any time, if you need to go, if you're going a little bit slower, or if I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause the video. Now the next instruction here, we've got that blue, says color the last shape yellow. Okay, the last shape, okay? So this is first, second, third, fourth. In our case, fourth is last, okay? So we're going to color, and this is not an octagon, even though it looks like it. It only has 6 sides. This is a hexagon. So this is the shape that we're going to color yellow because this one is last. Okay. The next instruction says color the third shape red. So we have to use our ordinal numbers to count. First, second, third. So our third shape is our circle, and that's what we're going to color red. Circles are kind of easy to color, I think, if you just move your crayon in a circle, right? Okay, so that leaves one more instruction. Color the second shape green. First, second. So this is where you're going to pull out your green crayon and go ahead and color that green. There we go. Okay. All right, so go ahead and pause the video right now if you need more time, okay, till you finish coloring it. So it's blue is first, green is second, red is third, yellow is fourth, or triangle first, square second, circle third, hexagon fourth. All right, so we're going to continue on. We have 2 towers here. Okay. The instructions say number 3. Point to the tower on the left. So remember, I write with this hand, which is my right hand. This is my left hand over here by Cali Cat. Okay, that's my left. So point to the tower on the left. So that would be this one right here that's partially shaded in gray with the circle below it. How many squares are shaded? Write the answer in the circle below the tower. So this is my left one. So how many are shaded? I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I'm going to get my pencil with my right hand because I'm right-handed, and I'm going to write my 5. Put a neck, a belly, and a hat to write my 5. Then it says point to the tower on the right. Remember, I write with my right hand, so that's this one right here too. Color more squares, begin at the bottom. So what's more than 5? What's a good number that's more than 5? Let's see. First, I'm going to color 5 to show me, and I can use pencil here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 is less than. 5 is exactly the same as or equal to, but it wants me to do more. So I'm going to just do one more. More is 6 is more, 7 is more, 8 is more, okay? So then it says, write the number of squares you colored on the line below this tower. Now the tower on the right. So I did 6 because 6 is more than 5, right? Okay. That's number 3. Then there's a number 4 here. On number 4, it says write a T on the last line. So here's our first, middle, last. So this is where I'm going to write the T. Write a B on the first line. So here's my first one over here. So B, remember B is a stick first and then a big belly. Write an A on the second line. So the second line is also the middle line. And when you're done, you've written something. Can you read that? B-at, b-at, bat, bat. So we're going to draw a picture to go with that. And if you follow along with me, slowly, can you see what I'm drawing here? It's a good one for Halloween too. So if I come out this side, come out this side, and then if I just draw some jagged lines here, we're drawing a picture of our secret letter code. And here's some eyes. And there we have it, a bat. There's also another kind of bat you could draw here, which would be a baseball bat, right? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this math lesson today. I think it was a lot of fun. I'm going to give myself an exit ticket at the top because I'm finished. Go ahead and do that when you finish, and then I'm going to put this back away inside my blue folder.